flying in the fly paths we're about to see have a great air-to-air refueling tanker. It's been in the air arm service, starting off with the early A model, June 1957. This one comes to us from the 351st Air Refueling Squadron, part of the 100th Air Refueling Wing at RIAT Mildenhall. Fuel in the course of one mission. As it flies past there, you can see the famous D in a square emblem, recalling the unit's heritage as the 100th Bomb Group flying B-17 from the UK during World War II. Then we have the Lockheed Martin C-130J Hercules from the 37th Airlift Squadron, the 86th Airlift Wing at Ramstein Air Base, Germany. This is the latest stretch transport